Hello everyone, welcome to Master Azerbaijani Word of the Day series. Today's word is HƏYAT YOLDAŞi. HƏYAT YOLDAŞi. HÆYAT YOLDAŞi can mean spouse, wife, or husband. Let's see some phrases. With his spouse, for his wife, from her husband. Let's see those Azerbaijani versions. Onun hayat yoldaşı ile. İlə here is with. Remember, we used it as hürmetle, as suffix le. Here, this is separate. Onun, his. For his wife. Hayat yoldaşı üçün. And remember, this can be his or her if you're going to decide using onun. And you don't have to even mention onun. Everybody will know it. Because hayat yoldaşı means his or her. From her husband. Hayat yoldaşindan. Let's use some sentences to understand better. Bu akşam onun hayat yoldaşı ile görüşümüz var. This evening, bu akşam, we have a business meeting. Görüşümüz, it can mean business meeting here. Because obviously, onun hayat yoldaşı ile, with her or his husband, spouse, wife. That's depending on the context, you will use it. Or if you don't know, just use straightforward, hayat yoldaşı. So, bu akşam onun hayat yoldaşı ile görüşümüz var. Let's see another sentence. Onun hayat yoldaşı indi müəllimdir. His or her husband or spouse is a teacher now. Indi, now, müəllimdir is a teacher. That was today's word. Remember, you don't have to use it 100% Azerbaijani sentence. There's one for you. My hayat yoldaşı suggested a quick tidy up, and suddenly we are reorganizing the whole house. That was today's word. Thank you for watching. Make sure to check masterazerbaijan.com for more. Until then, see you tomorrow for new word.